Okay, guys, welcome back to the channel. If you've never bought Bitcoin before, here you go. I got something special for you. You're about to watch a dude from Guam go from zero to his very first stacks. Let's stack. I'm an Uber driver stacking Bitcoin from rides. Today, I'm helping to complete Newb buy Bitcoin on River, guys. And we're going to break it down, show you how. But here's the twist. We're not tracking dollars at all. We only care about his stacks in sats. Stay to the end because we're going to read his new Bitcoin balance out loud. You're going to see it live. And I'm going to ask him one brutal question. What if this goes to zero? Okay, guys, let's get it. What's your name?
Nigel.
Nigel. Okay.
Yep.
Here we go, man. I'm going to break this down for you guys. All right, man. Introduce yourself.
Nigel Galindo. Here, buy my first Bitcoin. I've been interested in it for a while, and here I am trying to finally pulling the trigger.
Good call, man. Let's get it. We're about to break this down and get this Bitcoin in him so he knows what it's all about. So perfect. You're exactly who we want in the community. You're from Guam.
Yep.
You've heard Bitcoin a million times, all the time, but you've never actually owned any, right?
Yep, that's exactly correct. I've heard about it for a while. It's been something I've been interested in, and just I don't know what I'm doing. So
okay, by the end of this video, you're going to have a real Bitcoin balance in your name. Are you excited about that?
Oh yeah, I'm excited to get some Bitcoin in me, get the stats.
And everybody out there literally can see the same thing on their phone if they want to copy this. I'm an Uber driver, guys. After my shifts, I peel off some of my earnings and stack sats. I don't sit around trading. I just buy, hold, and ignore the noise. I trade when the market's going. Bull runs. Hashtag bull runs. You guys know what I'm saying if you've been there. Let's do this. Let's make this deal. We're going to break it down. Here we go. Before we even touch the app, I want to get your mindset right now, Nigel. If Bitcoin went to zero tomorrow, how painful would that be for you?
I mean, I don't know. I don't have any yet, so it probably wouldn't be that bad, but I don't think it's going to go to zero. So I'm kind of excited for this.
I love that answer. Okay, that's the key. Your first buy should be an amount where if it literally vanished, you would be annoyed, but your life doesn't change. We already talked off camera about a number you're comfortable experimenting with. Yep. We're not going to show your dollars today. We're only going to show your Bitcoin on this channel. We don't track dollars. We track sats. Remember that. We stack sats, not dollars. And coming up here in a second, we're going to break it down. All right, guys, here we go. All right. I've got this River account pulled up here. We already did the boring stuff. Created the account, verified his ID, linked his bank account. Now we're at the fun part, turning his regular money into Bitcoin. And Nigel, would you do the honors of showing the camera exactly what you did? Get it up in there so they can see that.
47,000 sats.
There you go, man. And that's what it is. Give it to them one more time. Show them one more time. That way they can see that.
Let's get it in there.
Okay, perfect. Right here, this is the Bitcoin section in River. No price charts, no dollar balance on screen, just pure Bitcoin and sats. That's all I care about. We already typed in the amount he's comfortable with off camera. When we confirm this, River is going to show us exactly how much Bitcoin and exactly how many satoshis he owns. He just told you how much he bought, guys. We did this off camera. That way you guys could see. Go ahead and hit confirm. Show them again.
We already
confirm that.
There we go.
Confirm that price.
That's the price.
Now you guys see exactly how many he has again. Give it a second to process, guys. Boom, there it is. That is your first ever Bitcoin balance.
There we go. 47,000 stats.
There you go. Now, do you feel any different about owning Bitcoin?
Feel like it's probably a good investment, and I'm definitely going to start stacking them sats.
Nice,
Trying to
nice.
get a whole Bitcoin in me.
There you go. Stacking sats is the most important. 47,000 is a nice get. That right there is your starting line. Every Satoshi in that number is tiny fraction of Bitcoin. If you do not know what a sat is, it's a tiny increment. Every Satoshi is a tiny increment, guys. If you didn't catch that, how does it feel seeing that number on your phone with your name attached to it?
I mean, it's cool seeing that I got Bitcoin now. I'm an owner of Bitcoin, and yeah, it's just a cool thing. I'm part of the club.
Heck yeah, let's get that.
Don't get it.
Different from just hearing about Bitcoin on YouTube, right?
Yeah, I mean, I got it now. It's in my account. I can get it off the market and put it in a cold storage, and like that's mine.
Okay, now the uncomfortable questions we got. If that SAT number got cut in half next month, same amount of Bitcoin, but the market price nukes, what are you doing?
Buying more sats.
I love it.
Stacking that position and constantly increasing my position.
Beautiful, beautiful. And flip it 5 years from now, if that same stack is worth 5 times more than today, what changes for you come back from Guam?
Going back to Guam, that would be a lot of money. But honestly, if the number increased 5 years from now, I'd just keep stacking sats because I'm now a believer in Bitcoin and I can see what it's done and what it's going to do.
Oh, yes. That's why I stack. I'm not here trying to time the top. In between Uber rides, I just keep adding to my sats, shift after shift. You've just taken the first step, Nigel. Congrats. From here, your only real job is not to panic. Never forget the long-term goal on Bitcoin. Just so everyone's clear, this is not a get-rich-quick moment. He picked an amount he could afford to risk. Maybe he could afford more, maybe less, but he picked that exact amount and bought. Do your homework, guys. Don't YOLO your rent. But if you want to see what it actually looks like to own Bitcoin, this is it. A sats balance on your phone, not a screenshot from Twitter like people do all the time and post it on X all day long and bullshit others. Next time I bring you back on the channel, Nigel, we're going to take that sats balance and move it off of River, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to move it into a cold storage wallet. The funnest part ever. And so you're in control. Are you down to do that?
I'm down. I'm ready to get after this journey.
Let's get that. We're going to move into one of these guys. All right. For everyone watching, if you're already on Bitcoin, drop your first SAT story in the comments. Let us know. Break it down for detail. We want to hear. If you don't any yet, what's the one thing holding you back? Is there anything holding you back? I read all of it. I answer all of it. Respond to all of it right away. I'm an Uber driver stacking one ride at a time. He just stacked his first sats from zero. Zero, guys. If you want to follow that journey, mine and his, hit subscribe. I'll see you on the next shift, guys. And guess what? Until then, don't track dollars. You always track sats. Let's get it.